Now we go street drift.
Letting it down on the transmission jack.
The right way? That? Do that.
A lot of drift prep is happening today. I'm swapping the Welded diff into my Z. Tyler's doing the GK Tech angle on his Z. Just gotta finish taking out the axles, drive shaft, drop, put the new one in.
Remove the top bolt for the inner tie rod. Now I can bang this with a hammer. It'll drop the inner tie rod, undo that, and then I'm pretty much done. That's it. This shit is so easy. Axle's out, diff is almost out.
I gotta get the other axle.
He's moving pretty slow.
Anyways, I'm just getting my axles out.
What in the is this? Huh? So once you get the outer tie rod,
acting all cool and stuff as if you didn't just say yippee as soon as you got that off.
this is what I gotta bang out now. This does not want to come out. He's here now too. He doesn't do anything. There's a lot of people showing up now. I don't know what's taking Caleb so long. If Lucas was doing this, he'd already be done. Caleb's slow as
What? Alright, axles are out. Just gotta take out the drive shaft. I got most of these out. Just gotta take out the drive shaft from this. Then you just loosen the differential mounting bolts. It's these two. And then there's also this one here. But for me, I have a diff brace. So I'm gonna need to take this one off also. While I'm down here, I'm also gonna stiffen up my rear sway bar. With a stiffer rear bar, you get a little bit more oversteer, so that'll be good for drifting.
Okay, he's gonna stiffen up his rear. Guys, this is not coming out. I don't know what to do.
I'm trying to do some talking. With the drive shaft dropped, I'm just undoing the diff race now. I've already loosened the bolts up there that actually mount it to it. I'm just gonna loosen everything up and then we should be able to drop it.
I cut a slit into this nut. Now I can pry it off. And this took way longer than it should have because I made a mistake and should have taken this off when I was hammering it. Now that I have it out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna burn off all the excess grease because I know I'm gonna put my own grease on and I don't want this old grease with the metal flakes that's now in it from cutting it to be in it while I seat my new one because I don't really want to mess up the new angle kit. So I'm gonna burn all this off and then it should be good. We can bolt everything in and we'll have this side done.
Everything is disconnected now. It's just on the transmission jack. One more thing we gotta do is these, I think these are wheel speed sensors or ABS sensors or something. You just have to loosen those and then just pop right out and just put it right back in. And I think there's a vacuum line at the very top also.
GK Tech also advises that you disassemble these, even though they come pre-assembled, and to put Loctite on this bolt because it's a pretty important bolt. Just gonna use some Loctite, put it on, put this back in. It's important where it goes because this is also Ackerman adjustment. And just like that, one side's done, connected to here, spun the inner tie rod to the new outer and then re-bolted it, and then I just need to torque these down and we'll be good.
All right, speed sensors are out, vacuum line's out. Vacuum line will come out from right here. I dropped my sway bar too just to make it easier. Yeah, I've done it before without taking out the sway bar. Now all that's left is just letting it down on the transmission jack. My cooking videos. Look up, your eyeballs.
Oh, it's going into my forehead. Yeah, we're cooking like this now. Watch out. The Aki way.
Let me make it better now.
Okay.
Press that shit now.
Chefing it up. Yo. I'm gonna go strangle rat.
Hi. Don't strangle me, please.
What can I go look at? Let's go in here. So what's in here? New pirate ship.
Oh, okay. For sure.
What? You still have all the nerve endings in your hands?
I do now because I stopped working food for a while.
I don't. I burnt them off.
It's also so unsanitary.
Nah, I'm pretty sanitary. Here we go. Bucus is here. I thought we told him to stop doing that. If his engine explodes, it's not on my hands.
Focus.
Bucus.
Did you swing it?
No, there's no way.
Smoke.
That's his.
Swing it. There's smoke.
There was smoke. Did you
You drifted it?
did you drift the corner?
Yeah.
Huh.
Not like crazy because I know my limits, but I did a little tail
You
whip
didn't
thing.
crash?
What?
You didn't crash.
Jesus.
Well, that's how you almost said.
Well, he actually swung a corner in San Jose when I was going 145 on the freeway.
Really?
There was a stoplight under a bridge, and obviously me and Rat took it full wide through it, went completely 90. I see him just kind of like slip angle it. I was kind of impressed. He did a power slide.
Oh.
Me and Rat initiated and counter steered the race car. Look at his grandpa's race car. It's dusty, but here.
Firebird, something like that.
Damn.
That's sick, right?
Tough.
Okay, I won't. All right, let's go do work. I gotta do the angle. I gotta do the angle kit on the other side now. Time for the angle kit on the other side. I just absolutely blinded myself. I do the mechanic and we make whole custom parts. Imagine being able to understand all of this. Oh look, he got a GoPro mount for when he's going very slow.
That's been there. You bought the car.
Not my project car. Not my problem. This my project car. So it is my problem. That's why I gotta fix it. He took out the light. Now I cannot see what I'm doing. That's okay. It's a 19 and the wrench. That's all I need. This, hopefully not that. I had to use that. I don't want to use that again. I need a 19, which I don't think I need. Oh, that's the 19 actually. This is all I need. Hopefully I don't have to bust out the angle grinder again. There's my wheels. All right, gotta start moving. Cotter pin, 19mm bolt, drop it, unbolt that. Yeah, that's easier to crack loose when this is all connected too. So I'm gonna do that first. Funny noise. I'm gonna have to reline the whole car though, because the toes gonna be way thrown off. Oh, I'm probably gonna rub hella. I just realized. He's filming. Look at this fool. Look at him. He has my light. These are one-time use, so if you ever do this, replace your cotter pins. The mistake I made on the other side was I had this on how you're supposed to do it, where you put this on and you hammer it so you don't damage these threads, but I'm not using this, so I don't care if I damage the threads. And what I had to do on the other side, I don't want to talk about. This feels really weird filming and talking to myself. I feel like I'm going kind of crazy. Well, hopefully I don't hit my rotor. Just like that. That was so much easier than the other side. The other side took me way too long. I don't really want to talk about it. And if you don't run a cotter pin on a castle nut or a nut like this, you can actually lose the torque in the bolt. And that's pretty bad. There's one out. See? There we go. That is how you do GK Tech steering angle adapter. Super simple. Super straightforward, direct bolting, no cutting. This is a castle nut. This is what I was talking about. This is why you need a cotter pin. Keep the torque.
Yeah. All right, the cars are out of the shop. I'm gonna do a little bit of street drifting right now. Test out the welded diff, test out the angle kit. We both need alignments before we could do too much, but you say
It's the same.
The angle feels pretty good already.
Yeah, the angle feels really good. Like, there's so much, but this is straight.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to take it a little slow tonight because obviously.
Alignment's not perfect. Funny, last time I put in my welded diff, you were also right here. Remember when I first put in the welded diff?
Yeah.
We went out to a little spot by the airport.
Yep. I still don't know what straight is.
Okay, that's maybe an issue. That's pretty good. drift car. I've just been using it as a toge car.
Yeah, you built a drift car, bro. This is what this car was built for.
Yeah.
It was not built for the mountains early. You just made it work for the mountains.
Yeah. Same line?
Let's run it. Well, I can't see nothing. It sucks because my alignment's f***ed up, so this is technically straight. Oh well, hopefully we don't crash. Oh, listen to that f***ing Welded. I'm gonna shut the fuck up and drive now though. Hit that, Lucas. Yeah, power slide that. Okay, my turn. What do you mean?
You spun out.
You spun out too?
Okay.
Don't say
you almost hit a curb.
Did I?
Yeah, you were really close.
I wasn't that close.
I looked in the mirror and
there's no curb.
I thought you hit the curb.
There's no curb.
Oh, on that side there isn't. Oh.
There's no curb.
Okay.
It's flat on both sides.
Sick. Okay, we're
no,
good.
I was chilling.
There's a curb. There's a curb. When we go left on the inside, there's a curb there.
I spun towards the trees.
Yeah, I know. You're good. I thought there was a curb on the outside too.
No, I spun towards the trees.
Yeah.
No, because I put it towards the trees on purpose.
We both need more rear grip.
I need an alignment. That's why I spun out.
Yeah.
The wheel, okay, so my car already wanted to pull to the right a little bit.
Yeah.
And now that this is center, when it pendulums back, it goes to here. No, I'm not joking. It goes to here and tries to go straight. So you can see in the video, when it pendulums here, I just lose it.
Yeah.
But my initiation was good, but then I tried to manji it and go around you, and then it just went to here.
I just don't have enough rear grip. And that's something I can fix really easily.
Cool.
So Nissan makes a good car.
Nissan made a good car. Are you having fun?
Mildly.
Do you like street drifting now?
When it's less PTSD inducing, yes. I'd rather not hit a fourth tree.
Well, you should sit in a car with one of us then. We'll take you around if you want.
Chance.
Cool.
I need more grip.
I need alignment.
Yeah. Another time maybe, but right now I think we pushed our luck a little bit.
I did.
Yeah.
That spin out should be our call to cut it for the night.
I know. I got that sign. That was fun though, dude. It felt
really fun.
I kind of forgot that I was telling Rat. I kind of forgot I like set my car up for drift. Like I kind of forgot that I built a drift car and I was just using it as a toge car. And as soon as I set it up for drifting, it just
that was so much
just
fun.
like that. The car feels good to drive again.
Oh yeah.
The welded diff didn't suck as much as I thought it was going to. Just a couple little tweaks and changes, and then drift A in a week. Drift central in a week.
Drift central in a week.
Yep.
That's
you got
crazy.
a lot of angle too, and
That's stupid.
and you have a good amount of time to like set it up too.
Yeah.
A couple little changes.
I literally just need tiny spaces, and I'm good.
Yeah. I did notice that with the amount of camber that I was running in the rear, I was running like 1.5 degrees in the rear for toge. It kind of made like when I let off, it
really
gripped right back into place.
Yeah.
I have a lot more
I was
grip.
really trying to break traction.
Yeah. Well, I could brake loose really easy, but once I like let off the throttle and to like let the wheel speed catch up, it immediately just
No, that's
hooked
not,
back
yeah.
up.
When you try to re-entry.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.
That was so lame.